guys, it's actually a couple days later from when I started filming, but today's just going to be one of those days where we're just going to kind of chug along on the Jeep and do a lot of maintenance type stuff. I already figured out how to get that rear driver's side door open. Oh, there's something in my eye. It wouldn't open when I bought it, but now it's open. Now I'm going to figure out how to get this trunk open. I think I'm going to have to take the bumper off because it looks like it's hitting that. And if that doesn't work, then we're going to go from there. Probably try kicking it out from the inside like I did with the back door. But we'll see. So we're going to get over on the Jeep and start working. That's one way to do it. Alright, so we're going to scratch that idea because I don't want to break all 4 bolts that hold this on. So, I mean, now I have to re-thread a new bolt in the bottom. That's cool. But we're actually just going to try and slam this bumper down over here. And then we'll see if it wants to open. It honestly just kind of seems like this is broken too. So once I get that over there bent down, if this doesn't open, then we're going to get on the inside and work from the inside out on this. Alrighty guys, so we hit out all the bumper. It's clear all the way along to where there's no binding, there's nothing bent up into anything else. So now we're gonna get on the inside and try and work at the handle from in there. I think the lock might be stuck. I don't really know what's going on, but we're gonna figure that out. All right, so I got it open. I got that strut to kind of support it, and then that strut gave in, it just slammed shut again. So now we have to repeat what we just did, try and support it. Actually, I'm gonna go grab a hockey stick or something to keep it propped open. Here is what's left of what was holding the trunk in. That just kind of snapped off, it looks like. But I wanted to get it out because every time I was driving it, this would slam around on the actual back of the trunk, and it was really annoying. So this is garbage. We'll put these bolts back in here, and we'll head up to a junkyard, and when I go to get doors or whatnot, and we'll pick up one of these little gas struts for the trunk. More coming on this soon, I promise. I'm super excited for it. I hope you guys are too. But this rebuild is going to start a lot sooner than you think, and hopefully we can get it back on the road this spring. Basically, I'm going to give you guys an overview right now. Alright, so it's been a while since I've been under here, but it's actually been quite a while since this bad boy ran. But what we're going to do is this motor is going to come out, obviously. So the radiator is going to come out, obviously, and then we're going to pull it. Once we pull it, we're going to get rid of these oil coolers, which are absolutely trash, as you guys can see. I don't know that they're really even doing their job. And the bushings on them, like literally everything about these besides the shroud is really honestly destroyed. This one's in a little bit better shape, but not much. So these guys are going to get replaced, as are the oil lines. We're going to go with some braided steel oil lines. And that's really gonna make a huge difference for this motor and how happy it's gonna be running. I have no battery in it right now, and actually what I think I'm going to do is a battery relocation into the trunk, because you get more airflow with this box not here. So I think that's kind of what I want to do. That battery tray, this battery tray is destroyed anyways. We're going to do a secondary air pump delete, which basically is just for emissions when you start it up. Obviously, I'm running a decat, so there's really no need for this at all. The only reason for an air pump is to give the catalytic converter oxygen when you start it and it's cold. That way it can speed up the process of helping the catalytic converter burn off some of those harmful emissions. But I don't have one, so this is going to come out. And as for everything else, I'm going to end up needing a new alternator. I got a really nasty tick with this one. Not a fan. But for the most part, it should be pretty simple. I just got to get an engine lift and an engine stand, and then this rebuild process can start. Obviously, I have to buy the kit and all that, but basically, I plan on pulling it, taking it apart, and from there, then I can see what I have to order. So really, the first thing I have to do is get an engine lift and an engine stand to see where I'm at with it. So that's current update with the RX-8. I know I've been promising you guys an update for a while. There you have it, updated. Also, let me know in the comments below if I should wrap or paint it for this upcoming car season. I want to change up the color. Obviously, I'm going to get new wheels. I believe I've said that already. I plan to get new wheels anyways. Either that or I'll get these ones painted. Unfortunately, there isn't much I can do to the old 8 right now. We got to wait a little bit for that. Alright guys, so for the most part, oh man, that's a nasty camera lens. Hey guys, so for the most part, we really don't have much else to do on the Jeep right now because I'm waiting on parts. So, what we're actually going to do is we're actually just going to start taking apart some of the things on the RX-8. Just small things in the front, like I'm going to take the air box out and the battery tray and everything in there is going to come out. And then I'm going to take this off, and I'll probably get this bumper off and see how we're doing with that. But let's just get right into it, not waste any time. guys, so I'm actually editing the video right now, and I noticed that I didn't do an outro. So, honestly, I'm not really surprised, but thank you guys so much for watching. If you stuck around to the end, especially because there are big things coming for this channel with that RX-8. I haven't really been recording much with it because I've been enjoying it so much. I bought the car back in July, knowing it was going to need a rebuild soon, and now it just happens to be a good time because it's winter. So all that's going to be documented. Okay. And it's going to be really cool. So if you enjoy JDM content, rotary content, really tuner car content, make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, because that RX-8 is going to be the next series. I know it was in this Project Junker video, but I just wanted to get some work done for you guys because I know all of you that follow me on Instagram have been dying to see the car on the channel. I know, trust me, I got you. So again, thank you guys so much for watching, and sorry I've been kind of monotone lately. I got a lot going on with work and the cars and all that, so I'm trying to get better with being more enthusiastic on camera. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. I think I'm going to put it right here. Maybe I'll put it right here. I don't know. I'm going to put it somewhere right here. Subscribe. If you're feeling generous, give the video a like. If you want to, check out the last video. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the support. And if you haven't already, go follow me on my Instagram. Tons behind the scenes back there, over there. So, again, I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bro, why didn't the video stop?